video. This is going to be a quick video on how to go ahead and access the camera features and look at some of the camera features in iOS 10. So here I am on my front of my iPad, and again I can scroll up. I have the picture of the camera there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click the camera, and when this opens up, I can go ahead right away and I can take a photo if I wanted to. So you can see that I have a big white button on the right hand side of my camera, and I can go ahead and I can click that and it would take a picture. I also have my volume button on the sides there, my up and down volume button that I can actually use as my picture as well. So it looks like this. If my case cooperates with me. So I also have that there. So you can see that because photo is in orange, I am on photos right now. And so I can scroll and I can change that to videos. So now I'd be recording a video if I press the record button. I also have time lapse, so I can do it over time. If I go the other way around, I have a square option so that my picture turns square. I also have option for panoramic, and that also has to be in the vertical position to take a panoramic photo. So those are the different options. When I go back to square, or I go back just to plain old photo, on the left hand side I have my zooming in and zooming out into the TV if I wanted to. I also can reverse my camera, so right now I'm using camera. I could turn it around and now you could kind of see me, with the reverse camera there. And then you also have the HDR at the top, and mine right now is crossed out. HDR is your high definition resolution pictures. When you take a picture, it would actually take two pictures. It would take one high def picture, and it would also take a standard picture. So you'd have two of the same pictures in your photos on your iPad. I suggest, unless you really are a photographer or you're an art teacher or something, you turn that off, because who needs those high definition photos that are there. And then the last one, in between the camera and the high definition, I have my time lapse, so that I can go 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or I can turn that off. So that's the look at the camera there, and I got that by going to the control center. The other option is, and I'm going to click my home button there, I can actually go right to the camera. Top row of icons, FaceTime, and then I have camera. That option there, and camera again, are there. So the camera, or to two different things. The last thing where you can print, that would jump me right, and you can see that was that ugly picture of my photo. There's another picture of my photo, and then these are some videos that were sent to me earlier and some projects I did with some students earlier. So there we have it, and that's how we access photos or the camera in iOS 10.